I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Linking a bank account on Magento can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with the settings. Here is a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Log into your Magento admin panel. Start by accessing your Magento admin dashboard. You will need your admin credentials to log in. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, go to the Stores menu on the left sidebar, then select Configuration. Under Sales, click on Payment Methods. Step 3. Select Bank Transfer. In the Payment Methods section, find the Bank Transfer Payment option. Click on it to expand the settings. This is where you will enter your bank account details. Step 4. Enter your bank account information. Fill in the required fields with your bank account details, such as account number, bank name, and any additional information needed. Make sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. Step 5. Save configurations. After entering your details, scroll to the top right corner and click the Save Config button. This ensures that your changes are applied. If you forget to save, your settings won't be updated. Now you're all set. Linking your bank account to Magento is a simple process once you know where to look. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.